Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm talking about a common issue in the bass community. Really not only the bass community, but the cracked dash. As y'all can see right here, this is a common thing in Chevrolets anyway, and a couple of other vehicles. But you see the cracked dash. I can't remember if it came exactly from the bass, but I really didn't notice it until I did that last bass test in here. And y'all can see it's cracked right here. And you look over here, it's cracked over here as well. So you can see, it is cracked up. But, sometimes, in this right here, the tabs in this will break as well. So you see that's loose. And I've seen dash crack right here as well on a lot of them. And I got the solution for y'all today. Y'all be sure to use the link down below to support this channel. Get over there and purchase yours. And be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV to get you a discount on the item. And I'm definitely going to show y'all the fix for this. And we're going to do the unboxing first. And then we're going to drop the next video. We're going to do the install. I got it's cold out here today. So I'm going to still try to go ahead and do it. I don't know how well my adhesive is going to work in the cold weather. But we're going to hope, it works just the same. But either way it go, we still going to do it. Even if we got to run the heat for a while to get it right. But y'all be sure to like and subscribe on this video. Y'all hold on. Let's get this thing unboxed. Y'all see we're going to go ahead and fix this cracked dash right here. I'm going to get y'all the product just to fix this stuff. It's not only for Chevrolet Suburban, so you can use this item to fix other ones as well. Tahoes. There's a bunch of different ones, but use the link down below and you'll be able to get there. See, y'all just hold on just a sec. All right. Well, so as y'all can see right here, we got this big box right here, and y'all can't even see it. It's so big in the screen. It's packaged real good. So y'all know it ain't gonna, it should be secure in there or whatnot. We're gonna get this thing open. I need to get me a trusted knife or something to open this stuff. All right. Y'all can see this thing packaged up real nice. Let's see. All right. Get this box out the way. All right. Y'all can see right there. It's a whole piece. It covers the whole thing. Even your little sensor that goes through the hole right there. You can even of course you can see that as well. So I mean where your hole go through, your sensor still be able to come through. Get airbag, all of that. So let me open this up so y'all can see it. Hold on. All right. Just a minute. Let me find my. As you can see, right there. Should be exact color match or whatnot. You can get these in different colors. You don't have to paint it or anything like that. But this is gonna fix that dash where it's just, how it's just ugly pretty much once you crack it and mess it up. And once you put this over there, you probably won't have to worry about it ever cracking again because it's actually over the dash itself. So that ugly dash that you got is cracked up and beat up and all of that. This right here will fix that issue. So as y'all can see right there. Be sure to use that link down below. That way y'all can go over there and check it out, see which one you need. Let me show y'all what else is in the box. It comes with the adhesive, I think. I'm not for sure. I know it comes with pretty much, probably everything that you need. Of course, you got your your adhesive right here. and like your I guess this would be like some little pan. I'm gonna have to read the instructions or whatnot. Make sure you read the instructions when you do this. Don't just do it. You know, you can watch the videos or whatnot when you get to the site. Like I said, use the link down below to get to the site. That way you better go there and check this out, because you definitely need this. Don't keep riding around with the beat up dash. That's kind of old. You know, it's not a trophy thing. So, you know, if it's messed up, go ahead and fix it. You know what I'm saying? And it's affordable. This right here is the most affordable way to go. You don't want to go to the salvage yard or order a whole nother dash from the. You'll be at $1,000 probably going to the dealership getting a whole nother dash, and you don't want to go through all of that. So you could just spend, you know, under $200-300 to get this thing fixed up in a nice way. But of course, one well, you have to order extra tools, I believe. But I know it should probably come with one. But make sure you read the instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions as well. I'm just showing y'all the product first here, and I'm gonna do an actual video of the install separate. That way I can make sure I read the manual and all the proper instructions before I do this. I don't want to just throw it in there and then it doesn't, you know, it doesn't do right. But of course, you know, the cracks in the dash, you'll go ahead and glue those together or whatnot, and that way, you know, you kind of level it out so everything will be even. And then like I say, it's better to just order more than one tube of this adhesive right here just in case. I'm gonna read and see what these actually go to. So yeah, but y'all be sure to use the link down below. I'm gonna drop it down and use code BASSWITHKEV if you want to pick you one of these up and save you some money on the purchase. But I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it over the dash right now. That way y'all can see it. That way y'all know what's going on and how to look. Of course, I'm not gonna fully install it just yet until I get through watching the videos and do all the proper steps and stuff, so I do it right the first time. Y'all hold on just a second. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on the inside. All right, guys, y'all can see this is just with me having it sitting over the dash. Of course, it's not glued down or anything like that. Of course, you know, when you put your adhesive on there, it'll you know, it'll be firm in there or whatnot. This definitely the way to go. To me, it would be. Of course, you know, you'll still have your location right here for your airbag to come out. I guess that's what it does. I guess that's the airbag. Yeah, that's the airbag. It'll still be able to come out and be useful if hopefully you never need it, but just in case. Of course, that sensor right there I told you that'll come out. And this is all one piece. You know, it just slides right over the top. Of course, there, you know, once you glue this thing down, everything will sit down, you know, sit down like that. And of course, it's perfect, like a perfect color match. Y'all see that? That's really important right there. You don't want to do different colors. You may not care, but y'all see, I'm gonna show you how simple this is. Of course, you got other steps that you might need to do as well. Let me let this down. All right, y'all can see. Y'all see this? All right, sliding it right over the top. Right over the top, just like that. Y'all see that? Of course, I gotta clean my dash and everything. Like I said, all the proper steps first. And but I'm just saying how easy it is to slide right over the top. It can be done with one person, so you don't have to have a whole crew, a team of people to do this. But like I say, look at that color. That's perfect. But like I say, be sure to use the link down below. Go down there and check it out, man. You definitely need to do this. That way you don't have to constantly deal with that cracked dash, man. You know, that's, like I said, that's the easy fix right there for this situation. So definitely go ahead and check this out. Take it back off. Right now, go ahead and do those, watch those videos before I go any further with it or anything like that. So be sure to like, subscribe, use the link down below, and be sure to pick up yours and see what colors they have just for you or your different vehicles. Not only for Chevrolet Suburbans, I'm sure there are other options as well. I'll see y'all back on the next one. We're gonna do this install.